Okay guys, so I've been learning React Native. So I always wanted to be a mobile developer, and 2 days ago I started learning React Native, and this is what I know about React Native. So one, React Native is a JavaScript framework for building mobile apps, so like Android apps, uh, Android TV apps, Android apps. Let me say Android TV apps, Android apps, iOS apps. Okay, so those are the apps it can build. Then it was created by Facebook, now Meta. Facebook is now called Meta. Okay, so basically the main thing that React Native does is uh, you can build an app once that will run on iOS, Android, or TV. So you just build the code once, then it can run on all platforms. Okay, so there's a difference between React Native and native development. So native development is like you want to go to Germany. So that this is native development. So you learn German. When you go to Germany, you can understand the people there and speak to them in German. But in the case of React Native, you you just you just hire a translator. Then when you go to Germany, you can just speak in English and he will translate to you and to the other guy. Okay, so the translator used in React Native is called bridge. So there's something called bridge in React Native that translates the JavaScript code into native code. Like in iOS, the native language is Objective-C or Swift. In Android, uh, native language is Kotlin or Java. So what React Native does is, if you code with Java, you will only build mobile applications. And Kotlin, if you code with Objective-C and Swift, you can code iOS applications. But now comes React Native, where you only code in JavaScript, and the code can run in both iOS platforms and Android platforms. Okay, so popular apps that are using React Native. We have Discord. Discord is using React Native. Pinterest is using React Native. Tesla is using React Native, and Coinbase. Some parts of Facebook and Instagram are also using React Native. Okay, so I think that's enough theory. In the next video, we can start getting our hands dirty.